Buongiorno, fellow gardeners and pepper lovers. Today we're going to explore the wonderful Ausilio Italian pepper. Join me as we uncover its history, description, growing conditions, companion planting, and various uses. The Ausilio Italian pepper is a beloved heirloom variety with a rich history originating in Italy. Its roots can be traced back to the Mediterranean region where it has been cultivated for generations. Growing Ausilio Italian peppers requires specific conditions. These plants prefer a sunny location with a well-drained soil. They thrive in warm climates, making them an excellent choice for gardeners in southern regions. Remember to water them regularly and provide support as the plants grow taller. Companion planting is a wonderful way to maximize the health and productivity of your Ausilio Italian pepper plants. Some great companions for these peppers include basil, parsley, and oregano. These plants not only provide a bountiful contrast in your garden, but also help deter pests and enhance the flavor of your pepper harvest. Now let's talk about the various uses of the Ausilio Italian peppers. These peppers are known for their sweet and fruity flavor with just a hint of heat. They are perfect for fresh salads, roasting, grilling, and stuffing. Their vibrant red colors adds a pop of beauty to any dish. Whether you're an Italian cuisine enthusiast or a pepper aficionado, growing Ausilio Italian peppers is a delightful experience. From their rich history to their versatile uses, these peppers bring a touch of Mediterranean charm to your garden and kitchen. That concludes our journey through the Ausilio Italian pepper. We hope you've enjoyed discovering its history, growing conditions, companion planting, and delicious uses. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and culinary inspiration. Happy garden and bon appetito!